The Salesforce Accelerate Media Sales solution helps media sales teams drive value at every deal stage and develop relationships with customers and partners to close more business. You can create valuable segments based on customer characteristics and engagement insights from marketing campaigns with Audience Studio, so you can intelligently differentiate and monetize audiences. Once leads are captured, sales can see a full view of the customer, add to marketing-approved nurturing programs, and build personalized email campaigns using Pardot, letting reps communicate with high-value prospects at the right time while tracking engagement. You can transform email into a powerful selling tool with Salesforce Inbox by viewing critical sales context next to relevant emails to keep your CRM up to date without manual data entry. Then speed up engagement and increase conversion rates by automatically prioritizing the right leads at the right time with Einstein Lead Scoring in Sales Cloud. And quickly develop quotes and price inventory using Salesforce Media Cloud to ensure all ad inventory is sold faster. With Experience Cloud, you're able to guide agency partners with workflows and self-service tools that simplify media plans and measure success, so you can streamline collaboration while building stronger relationships to earn more revenue. Then, get a complete view of marketing metrics and campaign performance with Datorama that makes AI-powered insights an essential part of your strategy, letting you connect and act on all marketing data and investments to make smarter decisions and fine-tune audience segments to increase ROI. See how you can supercharge your media sales teams to close more business with the Accelerate Media Sales solution with Salesforce.